Good morning, everyone. This is Donald Abraham. My register number is URK17C041. Today, I'm here to discuss some of the various C++ programs. So, moving on to the first one, this program is to calculate the sum and product of the two complex numbers. So, first, I've declared two functions with the help of structure. Then, I've called these two functions, and this is the function definition. In each function definition, I've done the specific operation of adding and multiplying. So I'm prompting the user to enter the real part and imaginary part of the values. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, there is no problem in this. So real part, let's take at 2, 4, 6, 8. So as you can see, it's 8 plus 12i is the sum, and 12 plus 32i is the product. So let's move on to the next problem. Okay, this problem is to calculate the power of a number raised to a specific number. So I'm asking the user to input the number which power has to be found. I'm also asking whether he wants to input the power or not. If he doesn't want to input the power, then I'm automatically printing the square of the number. Else, I'm calling the function power to get the result in the form of power. So this is the function declaration. I've used the recursion here. I'm calling the same power function inside the power function. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, there is no specific error in this. So let's take it as 2, and no, I don't want it to the power. So it will automatically print the square of the number. And if I do again number 2 and yes, so power b4, so the result is 16. So let's go on to the next problem. So I complete my description here. So hope so. Okay, wait. One more problem for you. Swap. So in this question, I'm swapping the values, one value with the other value, whether it is int, whether it is float, whether it is double. So I'm asking the user which type of input does the user want to give. So he will input. Then I have made different cases. If he inputs 1, then this case will work. If he inputs 2, this case will work. If he inputs 3, this case will work. So if he doesn't input one of these, the default wrong option will work. So let's see what happens. I've done the function definition of all the function, but I have done it 3 times. I've done the function overloading because I have to do with the different data types. Because in this it's the int, it's float, and there's double in the different types of functions. So I've done the function overloading and I've called the functions. So in this I am using a temporary variable to swap two values, and then I'm printing the result. So let's see how it works. As you can see, there is no error in this. So I want to swap integer value. So I'll do integer value is 2 and 4, 45. So a is equal to 2 and b equal to 45. Afterwards, a equal to 45 and b equal to 2. Let's see another value. I want to do float. So two values 0.45 and 6.78. Okay. So a equal to 2.45, b is equal to 6.78. Afterwards, a equal to 6.78 and b equal to 2.45. So let's move on to the next problem. So here I am my different types of problems regarding functions. So thank you for listening me.